Good morning, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today to show you this absolutely beautiful 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Now we are located on a quiet cul-de-sac over in Peel Green, Henty Close, tucked away as you can see. Got a full parking for 2 cars to the front, small lawn, and as we come through the entrance hallway, the guest bathroom just on my right. And wash basin just tucked away in the corner, and on through to this lovely bright lounge. Seamlessly flowing from here into the kitchen dining space, which was updated around February and March time in 2020. So a lovely modern shaker style kitchen. American style fridge freezer, as you can see, easily fits within here, and there is further space for your washing machine. Out onto the rear garden, a lovely private space. So you've got your paved seating area to the front, artificial lawn surrounded by those planted borders, and then further paving to the rear of the garden. Storage just tucked away beneath the stairs here. And as we continue to the first floor, you'll find 3 bedrooms, 2 of which are double, alongside a generous single, which is currently set out as a dressing room. Here overlooks the rear garden. So a triple and double wardrobe in here, but you can easily accommodate a single beneath the window and across the back wall. Second of the 2 doubles then, again overlooking the rear garden. And then on into the master bedroom. Flooded with light, beaming in through that window. It's a fabulous space. Then the bathroom updated in September 2020. So a shower sat above the tub. Also in here is fantastic storage, and it does home the boiler, which was installed in 2017. So just ahead of me you do have loft access with a drop down ladder. Just a fabulous home ready to move into, tucked away on a lovely cul-de-sac within Peel Green. Local to both shops, schools, the award-winning Winton Park just a short walk from here also. We do have fantastic public transport, as well as brilliant motorway links, all within a short walk or drive from the property. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing, then please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.